Okay, here's the tour of our room. There's the door. Here's the kitchen. See, lovely. It's got a dishwasher, a microwave, a sink, with a trash disposal, a stove, a fridge, storage. It came with dishes, glasses, toaster, coffee maker. There's our little breakfast bar, desk, couch that pulls out into a sofa bed. Room does not come with Jenna and Heather. Hi! TV, first TV. It does not come with Kyle either. Hi, Kyle. Let me go into the bedroom. Turn more light on in here. Has 2 queen beds, another TV, a mirror. Nice view. Let's go look at the view. The view of the street going by, Greenbrier Parkway. My car. And then over here we have the sink outside the bathroom, so that 2 people can get ready at once. My belly. Closet with a laundry basket, some racks, ironing board, and then the bathroom with a very lovely shower. It's got some of our bathing stuff in it at the moment. And nice tile. And that's the tour of our room. So, I ask, what does this place have that a condo doesn't have? Really?